In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. We'll be walking through each step to ensure a smooth integration, enabling you to streamline your workflow by connecting these two powerful tools. First, let's begin by navigating to HubSpot CRM through a simple Google search. Open your browser and type in HubSpot CRM in the search bar and hit enter. Once the results appear, click on HubSpot CRM software. This will redirect you to HubSpot's official page where you can get started. On the HubSpot page, look for and click on Get Started Free. This is essential to kick off the process of integrating HubSpot with your Outlook account. You'll then be prompted to either create a new account or log into an existing one. If you already have an account, enter your details and select Continue with this user. Once you've logged in, select the account you want to use for this integration and click on Continue with this account. This ensures you're working with the correct settings and data that align with your business needs. Now, let's head over to the marketplace. You'll find a link for the marketplace on the HubSpot dashboard. Click on it and then on HubSpot Marketplace. In the search bar, type Outlook and press enter to start searching for the appropriate add-on. When the results are displayed, locate the Outlook integration option and click on it to proceed. Once you're on the Outlook integration page, click on Install. This is where you begin connecting HubSpot with your Outlook account. The next step involves visiting Microsoft's App Source page. Locate HubSpot Sales there and click to view more details about this add-on. To continue, select Get It Now to initiate the installation process. This will download the necessary tools for integration. Now, we need to complete one final step. Open Outlook on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Make sure your Outlook is properly synced with HubSpot. And that's it. You now have successfully integrated HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. Your emails, contacts, and other vital information will now be smoothly transferred between these platforms, optimizing your efficiency and ensuring that you have access to all necessary data, regardless of which tool you're using. Remember, maintaining synchronization between HubSpot and Outlook will help in managing customer interactions seamlessly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now well equipped to make the most out of these integrations. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing.